This came out pretty good. Now there's blemishes, obviously, but I think that's gonna be fine because Terminator has blemishes in it, I guess. You know, the finish, it's like out of mold kind of thing, right? Like it's not completely perfect, but it's good enough. This is great. So I think I'm gonna stick with flat black with a clear gloss coat as opposed to flat white primer with a gloss coat. I think the black really brings it out, brings out the mirror look much better. It's darker, but if I can get results like this, it'll be worth it.